The market never sleeps. But what controls it now is no longer human. Wall Street is gone. Not destroyed, not replaced. Transformed. It is no longer a place. It is an algorithm, a system that runs silently, a system that reacts instantly, a system that operates at a level of precision no human mind can match. And while most people are still watching charts, the real decisions are already being made. In microseconds, welcome to the era of AI hedge funds. For decades, hedge funds were reserved for the elite, the 1%, the insiders with access to capital, data, and influence. These were not just investment vehicles. They were machines of power. But even these machines had a weakness. They were human. Humans panic. Humans hesitate. Humans make mistakes. And in a system where speed defines profit, that weakness became fatal, so it was removed. Today, the most powerful funds in the world are no longer driven by human intuition. They are driven by code. Look at firms like Renaissance Technologies, a fund built on mathematics, not emotion. For decades, it delivered returns that no human investor could replicate. Or BlackRock's Aladdin system, a digital infrastructure managing over $20 trillion in assets, not just analyzing markets but simulating the future. These are not tools, they are intelligent systems. And now, something even bigger is happening. They are shrinking. Welcome to the rise of micro hedge funds. This is where the game changes. A micro hedge fund is not a building. It is not a team. It is not even a company. It is an AI, a self-operating system that scans markets, detects patterns, and executes trades continuously. No meetings, no delays, no emotion, just execution. 0.01 seconds. That is all it takes. In that fraction of time, an AI can analyze global markets, process millions of data points, and act before you even see the move. This is not competition. This is replacement. And here is the part most people still do not understand. You are not trading the market anymore. You are trading against a machine that sees more, processes more, and reacts faster than you ever can. Think about the scale. Every second, global systems generate billions of data signals, economic activity, consumer behavior, geopolitical shifts. A human brain processes a few variables at a time. An AI processes everything simultaneously. It reads satellite images of ports to predict trade flows. It analyzes social media sentiment to detect market mood. It tracks supply chains, weather patterns, and financial signals all at once. While a human is reading a report, the AI is reading the world. This is why the gap is no longer closing. It has become a canyon, and now for the first time, access is changing. These systems are no longer locked behind billion-dollar institutions. They are becoming available, smaller, cheaper, more powerful. A single individual can now deploy intelligent systems that behave like a miniature hedge fund, small capital, multiplied by intelligence. This is the shift from capital advantage to intelligence advantage. But access alone is not enough. This is where the real filter begins. Most people will still behave like users. They will follow signals, copy strategies, react late. But a small group will think differently. They will study the system, understand the logic, position themselves inside the flow. These are the orchestrators, and they do not compete at the same level. They operate above it. But this system is not perfect. In fact, it introduces new risks. When multiple AI systems act on similar signals, they create feedback loops, rapid buying, rapid selling, extreme volatility. This is how flash crashes happen, not from panic, but from precision. Then there is the black box problem. Sometimes the AI makes decisions that even its creators cannot fully explain. It finds patterns beyond human logic, connections that do not appear visible. This is the birth of post-human finance, and whether you accept it or not, you are already inside it. Every trade you make, every asset you buy, you are interacting with algorithms. Most of the time, you just do not realize it. So the question is no longer should you adapt. The question is, how fast can you understand the system? Because this shift is not slowing down. It is accelerating. The future of finance will not belong to those with the most capital. It will belong to those who understand intelligence, those who build systems, those who control execution, those who remove emotion from decision-making. Because in this world, speed is power, data is leverage, and intelligence is everything. This is the transition from human trading to autonomous finance, from effort to execution, from reaction to prediction, and this is only the beginning. In the coming years, these systems will dominate every layer of financial activity, from trading to portfolio management to wealth creation, and the gap between those who understand this and those who ignore it will become irreversible. So decide now, are you still playing the old game, or are you learning the new one? Because in this new reality, you are not competing with people anymore. You are competing with intelligence, and intelligence does not hesitate, does not panic, does not sleep. It only executes. This is Stratovest AI. We do not follow markets. We decode systems. The future is not manual. It is automated. The future is not emotional. It is intelligent. And the future belongs to those who understand the machine. Prepare yourself, because the era of AI hedge funds is not coming. It is already here, and it is moving faster than you think.